Welcome to my channel. If you like my videos, then don't forget to subscribe my channel. Please send us your questions through comment box or WhatsApp number, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my videos. Zodiac sign Sagittarius. Sagittarius, the ninth sign of the zodiac, is the home of the wanderers of the zodiac. It's not a mindless ramble for these folks, either. Sagittarians are truth seekers, and the best way for them to do this is to hit the road, talk to others and get some answers. Knowledge is key to these folks, since it fuels their broad-minded approach to life. The Sagittarian-born are keenly interested in philosophy and religion. What Sagittarius wants most is to know the meaning of life, and to accomplish this while feeling free and easy. It's the archer that represents Sagittarians, although in this case it's a centaur that is flinging the arrows. Centaurs were the intellectuals of ancient Roman mythology, and Sagittarians are quick to consider themselves their modern-day counterparts. They are clear thinkers, and choose to look at the big picture most of the time. They also like it when others agree with their well-thought-out point of view. Sagittarians are enthusiastic consumers of information, and enthusiastic in general. It's also a good idea to give Sags lots of room to explore their world. Sagittarius is ruled by Jupiter. In ancient Roman times, Jupiter was the king of the gods, and most Sagittarians would say that the royal pedigree has been passed on to them. The Sag-born are generous and just. These folks are also expansive in their thoughts, as well as in their approach. Sags are forever reaching for knowledge, understanding and answers. Thanks to Jupiter's golden glow, for their never-failing luck. They're quick to take a gamble on things, feeling both lucky and smart. While the process of exploration is what fuels Sagittarians, they need to be aware of their tendency to procrastinate. Sags can be quite self-indulgent since things come so easily to them. The element associated with Sagittarius is fire. Just as a fire can move quickly and uncontrollably, so can Sagittarius as they flit from one thing to the next, never looking back. For the Sag-born, it's all about action and adventure and, hopefully, conclusions. These folks love their physicality and are often athletic, and certainly full of stamina. Life for these folks is played full on, which is why it's chock full of experiences. They can talk so fast, and so much, that they don't process the full weight of what they're saying, leading to the occasional hurt feeling. Often, however, their words serve to inspire others and to get things going. Yes, Sagittarians are straight-ahead folks who are curious, spiritual and true believers. Sags don't lack for confidence, either, not a whit. The athleticism of Sags lends itself to challenging sports, and they definitely know they're up to the task. That's why you're likely to find them in and around the world solo boat race or climbing up the highest peaks, where they should be mindful of their legs and hips. Mental games such as chess or debate also fuel the Sags' mood. Moody colors they'll wear, since they favor rich maroon and navy hues. When it comes to love games, the archer is playful, flirtatious and always on top. The great strength of the Sagittarius-born is their philosophical, wide-open and curious nature. Their optimistic and generous spirit makes them a pleasure to have around.